Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. So a lot of you want to turn off your end-to-end encryption in Facebook but don't know how to do that. It's pretty simple. First thing, you have to open up your Facebook Messenger app, right? And we are going to get right into that. So where is my messenger? Right here, all you need to do is click on menu and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you need to scroll down to privacy and safety right here, and you can see end-to-end encrypted chat. What you're going to do here is you need to click on security alerts. So right here you can now click on manage security alerts, and you go back to view all devices. So this is where all the devices your account has been logged into. So all you need to do is click on this first one and you're going to see the key. So you can see right here. So okay, you can now go back to manage it, and all you need to do is contact device. You have to turn this off. Once you turn this off, you won't be able to, you're going to do your end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.